Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're comparing two popular tools for building documentation websites, the Docusaurus and MkDocs. If you've ever wondered which one fits to your project better, stick around and I will break it down in simple terms. Docusaurus is built with React, which means it's great if you want a modern, customizable site. You can write your documents in Markdown, but also add React components directly to your pages. That makes it powerful for interactive content. It also comes with versioning, so you can support multiple versions of your documents, and localization out of your box, making it easier to translate for global audience. Plus, it has a plugin system to extend features and a blog option if you want more than just documents. On the other hand, MkDocs is all about simplicity and speed. It's written in Python, and your documents are just Markdown file with a single YAML config file that makes setup super quickly. It has a wide range of themes, like the popular Read the Docs style, and you can customize with plugins or Markdown extensions. MkDocs is lightweight, fast to build, and perfect if you want something straightforward without extra complexity. So here's the quick takeaway. Docusaurus best if you want a modern, React-powered site with advanced features like visioning and localization. MkDocs best if you want a fast, simple, Markdown-only workflow with minimal setup. Both are great. It's just depend on whether you value power and flexibility or simplicity and speed. So that's it for today's review of Docusaurus and MkDocs. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more clear breakdowns.